words into morpheme. Then we have syntax, which deals with context. Then we have semantics. Semantics is fascinating because semantics is where you explore all the ambiguity in language. Homonym, homophone, homograph, heteronym, heterograph, polysemy, monosemy, capitonym, paronym, hyphonym, meronym, holonym, and hyphonym. Then we have pragmatics, the way in which language is used. Then you have like psycholinguistics, sociolinguistics, and the philosophical aspect of linguistics. We probably don't have
variation of the actual rock color itself to give that. It's how it is. To articulate this theoretically, you have to go into a lot of details. Like you have to understand how many shades of white to use, how many shades of geometry. Like there's something called vanishing point. Vanishing point is the point. There's a point at the horizon. It's like a V, expanding V, where the two receding lines of the V diminishes. And this is like a geometric reference point for illustrating